Hey guys, our warehouse is already packed with a whole bunch of bumpers, so let's go take out that new style we just got. We just announced this beautiful SS style front bumper conversion kits available for 2019 and up Camaros with RS style headlights. I personally do not mind my OEM front bumper, but this is one conversion I would do to match up to the car. I f***ed up. But this is definitely a conversion I am gonna do since it will make that front end look more aggressive. And then if you do not have the RS style headlights, we do also offer RS style replica headlights, which you're able to purchase. And maybe I could work out a little bundle for you. I don't know. This conversion bumper right here is going to be available for 2019 and up Camaro trims. It is currently only available for the RS style headlights. If you're not too sure which style headlight you do have on your vehicle at the moment, this right here is the RS style with that little extension towards the middle. If you don't have that extension, you would have the non-RS style, which is not a problem since we do also have those RS style replica headlights available for purchase. If you're interested in purchasing this SS style front bumper conversion kit, make sure to email us at sales@autoaddictusa.com, or you can also DM me through my business page, which is drea.aausa, and I'll help you out with those discounts and with getting that package out faster as well.